Good evening. This is Doc Severson for the ReadySetCrypto OMNIA trade of the day for Wednesday, the 26th of August. Near the end of the month, and things are about to heat up, I think, as we get into the month of September. Okay, across the board, we're just shuttling back and forth between positive days and negative days. This is just standard non-linear price action. This is standard consolidation. We can see during this consolidation, volume is like quietly tailing down. This is very common. This is exactly what I would expect to see as the weekly chart continues to heal and build up energy. We're just a little light right now. We're not in exhaustion on the weekly chart. It's just a little light. I think right now the NASDAQ is just ripping and taking all the air out of the room when it comes to risk assets. So this will come back to cryptocurrency eventually. We know that at least on Bitcoin, we're going to hold that $10,000 level versus the US dollar. That to me is a no-brainer that we can sell against. So with that in mind, instead of going through all of these, I've got one coin of the day today, which I think is almost a picture perfect technical setup. And believe it or not, it is the old Binance coin. So BNB versus the US dollar looks really good right now. It's in like a textbook bull flag pattern. And if we see the price break above 23, that should be your entry. It should be on pretty good volume. So we want to see, here's a good example of this. As we saw the break back here. Okay, so here's a quick break and notice the volume as it broke was pretty good. That's pretty good volume on a break. So again, we saw the same thing down here, very quiet. This is back in June when everything was quiet. As we get on to July, notice the volume difference in the break to the upside. So this is what we want to see. And we have no shortage of energy in the weekly chart. That is for sure right now. So that looks really good. Looks really good. And it looks like it's very supportive of Binance coin making the break above 23. We'll see if it happens. Again, this is a very technical call. This is not fundamental at all. I don't know if there's anything going at Binance right now that would merit a break, but that's not the way that I trade. I try to stay clear of that stuff and just look at what the price is telling me. A break above 23 and Binance coin to me is the long and is today's trade of the day. Thanks for listening. We'll see you tomorrow, folks.